Dad, why are you holding that ring?
Please wait, let me explain everything.
Leo, Dad is buying a wedding ring. Does that mean another family now?
This ring looks beautiful for your wife.
She will absolutely love this surprise.
Mom must never see this today. She would feel very heartbroken, Mia. Dad, please do not leave our family.
Mia, this is not what you think.
Breakfast is ready, everyone. Come eat.
Pancakes smell amazing this morning, Mom.
Today is very special for our family.
Really? What are we celebrating today?
It's a surprise.
Why are you smiling like that today?
You'll know everything very soon, dear. I have one important stop after breakfast.
Can we come with you, Dad? Please?
Sorry, kids, this trip is only mine.
Okay, please come home safely, Dad.
I will. I'll see everyone this afternoon, sweetheart.
Drive safely and don't work too hard.
Everything must stay a surprise until tonight. I hope Sarah loves my special gift.
Wow, this mall is much bigger today.
Stay together and enjoy our shopping trip.
Mom, can Leo and I explore nearby?
Yes, but never leave my sight. But never leave my sight, kids.
Let's check that sparkling jewelry store, Mia.
Okay, but stay right beside me always.
Mia, look! Dad is over there. Why is Dad inside that store?
Would you like this elegant diamond ring?
Yes, it's exactly what I wanted.
Dad really bought the ring, Leo.
Is he marrying someone besides Mom?
Dad looked really happy while buying that beautiful ring. I have never seen him smile like that.
Something feels very strange about this whole situation.
I am starting to feel really scared, Mia.
We should not tell Mom until we know everything.
What if Dad really keeps another secret from us?
Let's watch quietly before making any mistakes first.
You're right, we need the whole truth today. Mia, Dad is walking toward the checkout counter. He looks ready to pay for everything now.
Maybe he already chose the perfect wedding ring.
Please don't say that, Leo. I'm frightened.
Dad is leaving the jewelry store right now. Hide quickly before Dad notices us, Leo.
I think he's carrying the ring with him.
Stay quiet. Let's follow him very carefully. Are you looking for a special present for someone today?
Yes, I want everything to be a wonderful family surprise.
We can add beautiful wrapping paper and a golden ribbon.
Perfect. Please make the gift look elegant and unforgettable.
Dad is choosing another gift box now, Mia. He already bought a ring before coming here today. Maybe this present is for his new bride, Mia. Please stop saying that. You're making me even more worried.
Would you like to include a birthday card with your gift?
That's a wonderful idea. Please write, "To my amazing family."
I'll place the card inside the gift box before wrapping it.
Thank you. I can't wait to see their happy faces tonight.
Dad even bought a greeting card. This looks more serious than before.
I never imagined he was planning something this important today.
Should we tell Mom everything before it's too late? No, we still don't know who that surprise is really for. He's carrying 2 shopping bags instead of 1 now. I think whatever he's planning is becoming even bigger. Dad is walking toward the escalator with both shopping bags.
Keep some distance. We don't want him to notice us.
Should we follow him? Yes, let's stay here first.
Everything is finally ready for tonight's special family surprise. I hope Mia and Leo will enjoy it as much as Sarah. I should call the restaurant after finishing my shopping. I want this evening to become a beautiful family memory. I should call the restaurant before everyone arrives tonight. I hope they still have our family table available. Sarah has no idea about today's special celebration. I can't wait to see everyone's surprised faces later.
Good afternoon, sir. Do you have a table reservation today?
Yes, it's for my family. Tonight is a very special celebration.
Your table is ready. Would you like balloons and birthday decorations?
Yes, please. I want everything to be a wonderful surprise for them.
Mia, Dad reserved a table and bought expensive gifts today. Everything points to one answer, but I still can't believe it. Should we call Mom before something important happens tonight? Not yet. We must understand the whole story before telling anyone. Did you hear that? He said celebration, not wedding. Yes, but I'm still confused about the ring he bought.
Huh. I almost forgot the birthday candles for tonight's celebration.
Huh?
I'll buy them before meeting everyone at the restaurant.
Maybe Dad is planning a birthday party instead of another wedding.
Then why did he secretly buy such an expensive diamond ring?
Could the ring be part of a surprise for Mom somehow? I really hope you're right, because nothing makes sense yet.
Would you like a birthday cake with your family order today?
Yes, please. Chocolate is everyone's favorite flavor at home.
Should I write a special message on the cake?
Yes, please write, "We love you, Sarah."
Mia, Dad has bought a ring, beautiful gifts, and now a birthday cake? None of those things seem to fit together, and that's what worries me. Maybe we're missing one very important piece of the story. You're right. We shouldn't decide anything until we know the complete truth.
There you are. I've been looking everywhere for both of you.
Sorry, Mom. We were talking about something very important together.
Is everything all right? You both look unusually quiet today.
We're fine. We're just trying to understand something confusing. Mom, we saw Dad buying a diamond ring, beautiful gifts, and a birthday cake today.
Sarah, a diamond ring? Are you absolutely sure that's what you saw?
We need to tell you what we found. We also heard him talking about a special celebration tonight.
Thank you for telling me. Let's find Dad before we make any assumptions.
There you are. I've been looking for my favorite family everywhere.
We were waiting here together. We actually need to ask you something.
Of course. You all look unusually serious today. What's going on?
Dad, can we ask you about the diamond ring you bought?
So, you saw me buying the diamond ring this afternoon?
Yes, Dad. We thought you were hiding something from our family.
I wasn't hiding anything from you. I was planning a surprise for someone very special in our family. Tomorrow is your mom's birthday. The ring, the cake, and every gift were all part of her birthday surprise.
Oh, we misunderstood everything. I'm so sorry, Dad. We should have trusted you before jumping to conclusions.
It's okay, Mia. Sometimes we only see one small piece of the story. The most important thing is asking questions before believing our first thoughts.
Thank you for caring about our family so much. I'm proud that you wanted to protect us, even if the situation was confusing.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Every gift today was chosen with love. And every surprise was planned for our wonderful family.